Hey everybody, this is Beth Durinsky from Odyssey Insurance and Investments, and you're listening to the podcast Real Insurance Made Simple. As a working mom of young kids and a small business owner, I know firsthand life happens. So come along with me and learn how your insurance policies work when real life happens and you need them most. Welcome back, everybody, to the Real Insurance Made Simple podcast. We are kicking off our new business series. This series is for anyone who owns and operates their own business. The business can be large with several employees offering group benefit plans, health insurance, all the bells and whistles, or it can be as little as a home-based business, maybe just doing some extra side hustle cash flow to try to help supplement your income. If you're operating your own business, this series is for you. This business series is going to span several weeks. It is going to focus on the several different parts of a business insurance policy, the different types of insurance policies that you can purchase for businesses. Not all policies are made the same. We also have different interviews lined up with different people to help bring you different experiences, different maybe perspectives on how and why insurance is important for different things, or maybe even how and why insurance works the way it does. We're excited about what's to come. Just to give you a quick outline on all of that, we are going to touch base on the different parts of a commercial insurance policy, as far as the commercial package, the liability, workers' compensation policies, commercial auto, commercial umbrella. And we are going to break down an episode for each one of those. It's going to be much more detailed. We're going to talk about what it means to have additional insureds on your policy for those maybe contractors or other businesses who are asking for certificates of insurance and looking at what a certificate insurance is and what that does for you in your business. We are going to interview someone about bonds. That is a big one. A lot of people like to say fully insured and bonded, but what does it mean to be bonded on that? We are also going to discuss what it means for the insurance industry and how your insurance policy works if you have maybe an excavating business, but you're doing other things outside of that. Are you doing more than excavating? Or if you have a landscaping business, but you are actually cutting trees, and what that means for your business. Is it good to separate your different types of work that you do or wrap it all into one? It's actually a personal preference, but we're going to let you know the pros and cons of that and have that discussion. And the pros and cons of that is going to heavily correlate to how things operate with your accountant or your payroll specialist, your CPA. All of those things actually factor in to how you align and set up your business. So we're going to look at talking to someone who specializes in those services as well. So that's not actually insurance related, but we do feel like that is important to successfully run and operate your business. And we want to be sure we give you guys that as a resource as well. We are also going to discuss the different endorsements available on the different types of policies. Something I like to say is usually all insurance policies are at least 10 feet wide, but they're not all 10 feet deep. Some of them you can wade in, some of them go really deep and give you lots of extra and added coverages. Again, that can be broken down to personal preference, but we like to educate and make sure you understand the difference between a very base policy and the added coverages that are available to further protect you or fill those gaps in coverage. Have you ever had a loss control inspection? Have you ever had someone evaluate your employees are most likely to get hurt doing X, Y, and Z? We're going to discuss that. And we're going to try to find someone to discuss some different claims examples throughout the process as well. Again, we are going to try to separate all of this out into shortened pieces of information because it can get convoluted, it can get detailed, it can get messy. And we like to look at it as trying to take it into bite-sized pieces of information. So a lot of this is going to be spread out over the course of the next several weeks. And we hope by breaking it down into those bite-sized pieces that I was mentioning, that you will be able to retain that information better and learn about it and digest it a little better than sitting down and having it all thrown at you at once. And we hope that this series encourages you to sit down with your local agent to review your policies, see what you do have, what you don't have, what could be added on, and educate yourself on the gaps in coverages that you may have. If you don't have an agent, we here at Odyssey Insurance Investments would love to help you. We are willing to come to your business, to meet with you, to walk you through what that looks like and break it all down. Please don't hesitate to give us a call at any time throughout this series if you have questions, concerns, or would like to schedule an appointment for a review. 812-932-2200. Otherwise, have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you all for listening today. We hope you found this episode helpful and informative as you navigate the world of insurance. As a reminder, this podcast is never for legal or professional advice, and you should always consult your local and licensed insurance professional. We wish you a week filled with love and blessings from the team at Odyssey Insurance and Investments.